Hey, it's Ronan. Let me show you the process that I go through to figure out a song by ear. It's half science, half creativity. I've done this lots. This is the song Faded by Alan Walker. I've heard the song before. I've never tried playing it. I had a listen just a few minutes ago and I thought, let's do this. So I'm going to play the song. It's been played 3.1 billion times. Let's have one more view. Good. So a lot of black keys. That's fine. I found the key that sounds like that's what they're playing. Given a B flat, I'm gonna start. Let me try and figure it out on my left hand. If I just had the right hand, I'm trying to figure out what chord is this note from. The B flat could be a B flat major. It's not it. It could be an E flat major. Doesn't sound correct. It could be a B flat minor. It could be, but it sounds like a major. What has the B flat? I'm drawing a blank here a little bit. It's not an E flat. Let me go over my left hand. I'm just going to listen again. Da. Ba, ba, ba. The last chord is this one. F, C sharp, A flat. There are the chord voicings of it. It's a C sharp major. So I'm going to write down C sharp major. This is the last chord. Play it with my left hand. So that's the last chord. Let's find the first chord. Da. There it is. We go up to a E flat minor. We walk down, looks like 3. From the E, we go to a B major, right? So I'm going to jump all the way up here. There's my E flat. What I was looking for before, that B flat was part of an F sharp major. And then we end it with that C sharp major. So the 4 chords of the song, I'm going to write it down because it's a little bit confusing for me too. E flat minor to B major to F sharp major to C sharp major. Good. Now, what does that mean? That's fine. We have our 4 chords of the song, right? Good. My left hand. The nice thing with the accordion is we see that the chords are very closely connected. We have, and then we come back up. What I'm going to do to explain the song in a little bit more of a sane way is, right now we have E flat, B, F sharp, C sharp. Let's move it down a half step. Instead of E flat, we're going to transpose. We're going to play a D minor. Instead of a B, we're going to play a B flat. This is what it sounds like. And it's a little bit easier to play it down here. F to C. Right? I'm going to keep listening to the song in E flat minor because that's how it's been recorded. But to play the song, I would highly encourage you to play it in D minor. Let's keep listening.
You were the shadow to my light.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm doing a playback exercise, a singing back exercise. So I know I'm an E flat minor. The melody will contain an E flat and F and G flat and a B flat. There, right?
Did you feel
Right? Try that again. Right? So that's the part I know. Such a cool song. I'm assuming, so how do we play the song on accordion? We become familiar with it, but that's the main riff. That's at least the part that I heard. I feel so out of touch. So, yeah, easier to play in D minor, right? I probably wouldn't polka this song. This sounds like bass tone, tone, bass tone, bass tone, bass tone, da 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 da. Yeah, I think that's all the song does. Just gonna fast forward.
I'm letting go a deeper dive into.
Yeah, I'm not. That's how we figure the song out by ear. This is about halfway there. We have the chords, we have the melody through playback exercise. Now comes the creative part, which is how do you arrange it for the accordion? And this is the part that's totally up to you, right? Or do you do it as a waltz, right? Or do you go full on like there's so many takes that you can make on this. Yeah, those are the chords. Have fun with the song, and I think make it your own. In general, when we're playing a song that's a synthesized song with synthesized voices and lots of effects and synthesized keyboards and drums, it doesn't translate perfectly to the accordion, but it is an opportunity to make the song your own. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.